Hello, everybody. Barbara B back. I'm sorry, Barbara B. I'm back. I apologize for not uploading lately. I just been busy trying to find employment, and I don't feel like filming where I normally film, where my dresser is. That stuff on there at the moment, so I'm just like, nah. You guys have always seen this area, so I'm more interested in just filming in a section of my bed. I have this notebook for extra stuff. So we're going to continue our lesson, which is lesson number 3, and I already had it pre-written, so it would be easier to explain. So from the last time, we had learned the 3 letters of the alphabet, which are A, B, C, obviously. And now we're going to go to the next 3, D, E, F. So we have the printed, I'm sorry for the crappy writing, we have the printed letter for D, and the dots, in order to make the letter D, are 1, 4, and 5. So again, just as a refresher, you start off at the left-hand corner and you go down to 3, and then the top right-hand corner, 4, 5, and 6. So in order to make the letter D, we use the dots 1, 4, 5. So 1, 4, 5 together will make the letter D. Now E. E is simply 1 and 5, so they're diagonal. On the die here, or on the, I'm sorry, the die. It reminds me of a die, but on the Braille cell, we have the dots 1, 5. So when you actually feel the dot or see it in person, you will know that the dots 1 and 5 are E, and 1, 4, 5 is D. So 1, 4, 5 is D, and 1 and 5 is E. Now F is a reversed or backwards D. So you know how you saw that it was like 1, 4, 5? Well, now F is 1, 2, 4. So it's sort of like a reversed D, because instead of the 2 dots being on the right side, they're on the left now. So it's 1, 2, 4. So these are just the basic letters. I will continue the lesson over here. And I don't know what I drew over here, but nah, I'll draw over this. Let me grab my marker. No, I have another one. Yeah, I know, I'm sorry. I have random wrench packets. I had them in my bag and I took them out. They should still be good. Alright. Let me get my marker. Where did I put it? Oh, I have this movie, Fishbone. Haven't seen it in years. And I have it as a gift. Gosh darn, here it is. I'm so stupid. Alright. So, I'm going to put you down for just a second so that I can uncap this and draw. And I don't care if I'm drawing on this. I don't care. Just a second. Oh, and that's just my panda. Alright, so when I usually do a lesson, how I start out, and I may do 3 more letters today. I feel like doing it a different color. So what I do is I first start out with the foundation, which of course was our Braille cell. So we know that it has 6 consecutive dots. And then we're going to write the next letter. So we know it's A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. So we're going to do G, H, and I. And I'm just emphasizing which letters go with what and why. So let me do, so G, sorry. G, H, and I. And I will draw the printed, actually, you know what, let me make that a little bit bigger. Sorry about that. Ignore the small box. And yes, I'm a lefty. And no, I'm sorry. Okay, sorry. I almost marked an E. Sorry about that. Okay. So G, sorry. So we know G is going to equal or dots 1, 2, 4, 5. Dots 1, 2, 4. Shite. 5. H is going to equal 1, 2, 5. So 1, 2, 5. And I'll write it here as well, just as a reference. 1, 2, 5. And I apologize for marking this one. Do not mark that. That's incorrect. I is a backwards E. So remember when, yes, I have it. Okay. Remember when E, as we saw, is dots 1 and 5? Well, I, in a sense, is an inverted or reversed dot position, or dot placement. So for this, it's actually 2, 4. So dots 2, I'm sorry, stupid, 2, stop it, paper, okay, because it was moving. So 2 and 4. So it's G, 1, 2, 4, 5, H, 1, 2, 5 together, and then I is 2, 4. What I will do in the next lesson is I may try and come up with a letter or a few words. I will write them both in print and in Braille, so that in the dot position, so that you can see what it is that I'm talking about. Since we've covered a few letters, or I may just continue the entire alphabet in a couple of short videos. And yeah, all right. Thank you so much for your your third and fourth lessons. I will continue with the fifth one as soon as possible. Appreciate you watching. Thank you so much. Bye.